Sponsored by Bangja, Sustainable Business Development in Harmony with the Environment and Society.
Welcome back, and in this break, we'll be exploring the real estate market in Myanmar as Mandalay Golden Wing Construction is a property developer. The opportunities are presented, but the challenges still remain.
Okay, all right, so we talked about the project, and now we would like to talk about the real estate market in Myanmar, and how is the real estate market in Myanmar right now? Do you think that foreigners are coming into Myanmar?
Yeah.
Do you think that it's good for the country, or is it bad for the country? Why is this good for the country? Okay, and as a property developer, what are some of the challenges that you faced that you have to solve?
Other country is 20 years, 30 years, loan and room.
Do you think this will change soon? Do you think that this problem may be solved soon, and how do you want to urge the government to solve this problem? Okay, and how do you foresee the trend of the prices of property in Myanmar, and particularly in Yangon, and as well as the prediction for the next year, or probably prior to 2015?
Office no, they will general hotel so in Chamiero, Dasha Gone Lala Shiva Dasha Telamilu, your mama.
Okay, what about the price? Because right now, as we know that the price of the hotels or the office or residential property have been skyrocketed. Do you think that the price will drop in the future as investors are coming in to build? For example, like coming up with a new project. Do you think that the prices will drop or not?
တိဆောက်ရေးစိတ်တွေကတိတ်မကွာဘူးနောက်အခြေခံမြေသွင်းလုံးတွေမြင့်နေဆိုတာလေနည်းနည်း location ကောင်းတဲ့နေရာတွေပေါ့နောက်ဟိုနိုင်ငံတော်ကလည်းမြေတွေတိုးချက်ဖို့လုပ်နေဆိုတော့မကြခင်ဟိုပြတ်တော့ပါဟိုတောင်းတွေအများကြီးဖြစ်တာပေါ့အဲ့ဒါဆိုရင်တော့ market ကငြိမ်တော့
That wraps up today's edition of Tour 2015.
You can watch us again every weekday, same place, same time, same channel. For today, สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ